So welcome back again, guys. Chairman Diamond Arido, and I'm here again. And this time around, guys, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. And I'm going to be talking about the psychology of trading a proprietary firm. If anybody understands this, then you are always going to be long-term profitable with trading a prop firm till you become an independent trader. You have your own money 100%. That you have 100% power over your own money. You know, when you trade profit account for some certain time, you want to be an independent trader, like independent, like you are trading your own account. So you want to make from the profit you have made, fund your own account, and you can just start trading 100% your own money. So now, guys, the psychology of trading a prop firm account is always know their maximum daily loss and overall loss. Anytime you are trading, their maximum daily loss is what should always be in your head, that this is the amount I have, this is the amount I'm trading. Every day, if you are trading an $100,000 account, every day always have it in your mind that you are trading a $5,000 account. Why? Because if you lose minus $5,000 on that account one day, you have lost that account. So for you to be able to maintain that account, you have to have that psychology that you are trading a $5,000 account. With that, you always use a lot size within $5,000 account. And then a lot size within that range will always make you to always be ahead and be profitable in the overall, of everything. So this is why I'm telling you guys, if you are taking the $100,000 account, trade it like you are trading a real $5,000 account. You want to ask me, like, why would I be trading another $100,000 account like a $5,000 account? I'm going to tell you. If anybody lose minus $5,000 account, the account is gone. The money you used to buy that account is gone. So, but if you know that you are trading a $5,000 account, it's not possible you blow $5,000 account in one day. So you are going to be risking maybe like $500, $1,000, reasonably. Do you understand? So trading a $5,000 account, you can use like one standard lot size on any trade you are taking, and then you know that, okay, you are taking like 2 or 3 positions at a time, and all these 2 or 3 positions, all the stop losses of these 2 or 3 positions must not be just more than, let's say, even if all this trade is stop loss, it should be minus maybe less than 1,000 or less than 2,000 in total maximum. That's what you should be risking in a day, less than 1,000 or less than 2,000 in a day. So with that, you can make more profits. When you are risking less than $2,000 a day, less than $1,000, that account tends to last. And you tend to pass that account on time. Do you understand? So it's not about you using one big lot size, boom. Even if you want to use one big lot size, boom, always don't risk more than $3,000 on that account. Maybe you want to trade news, because you do trade news too. Maybe you want to trade news. The loss that you are going to use, calculate the stop loss. Even if the trade is stop loss, it must be minus 3,000. It must not be more than that, so that you can have the opportunity to continue trading the following day, even if you hit stop loss that day. Do you understand, guys? So everything apply wisdom. And if you are trading like this, if you get your funded account to continue trading like that, so you are going to continue making huge profit. So in my Telegram channel, I usually encourage that if you are trading a $5,000 account, let me see, going to my Telegram channel right now. Okay, so you can see on my Telegram channel, the recommended lot size for a $5,000 account should be within 0.40 to 0.80, or maximum one standard lot size. But if you want to be conservative, you can use 0.40, within that 0.40 to 0.80. And if you want to be aggressive, use one standard lot size. Do you understand? So that's the recommended lot size. With that, you'll be able to trade with peace of mind. With that, you'll be able to trade without having issues on your head, like, oh, I don't want to lose this. You'll be able to trade and be confident that, okay, it's all right, let me allow this trade to do whatever it's going to do, and it's still going to go in my direction. Do you understand? So you'll be able to trade with a proper risk management, and guess what? In the long run, you're going to make a profit that you're going to be happy to withdraw. Do you understand, guys? You're going to pass the phase 1 and phase 2 effortlessly. With time, you might not pass it in a day with this conservative type, but you can be sure to, before you can be sure that you are going to pass it with time. Before you can say you want to go aggressive, have a backup. I usually say this. If you want to go aggressive, you want to use 3 standard lot size at once, guys, have a backup. Like if I lose this account now, I have another money to get another account, so let me just risk it. So if I lose this account now, I lose it, I'll get another one. If you have that kind of backup, like you have the money to get another account, if you lose this, then you can risk big. But if you don't have any other money, if the only money you have is that money that you used to buy that account, then follow that proper risk management. That is the psychology. Any account size you are buying, maybe from 25,000, 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, 400,000, as you have seen on the prop trading, guys, always look for the maximum daily loss. The maximum daily loss should be what should be at the back of your head, that this is the amount I am trading. Let's go back to my screen, guys. Let's go back to my screen. Okay, back to my screen, guys. If you are trading a $200,000 account, always have it at the back of your mind on a daily that you have a $10,000 account. So any lot size you're going to use, be using a lot size that is within $10,000. And if you are trading a $400,000, just believe that you are trading a $20,000 account. Guys, if you are consistent about this, with time you are going to withdraw good amount of profit. You can now fund your own account with your broker. Preferably, I use XM broker. You can now fund your account with the XM broker that I use and I recommend for people. Then you have 100% power, access to all the money. If you fund your account with $100,000, you have 100% access to $100,000. There's nothing like you have reached 5% daily loss or 10% daily. Do you understand? So you can use 3 standard, you can use 5 standard, you can use 10 standard lot size on that account, and you'll be so comfortable, and that you still make a huge money for yourself. Do you understand? Even if you take losses, you'll still be able to bounce back up. Do you understand? So everything has their own way of doing things. In this life, have a mentor. In anything you do, have a mentor. In prop trading, that's the psychology you should be using to trade prop trading. In your real account, that it's your own 100% account, you can use any lot size that is preferably yours. And if you want to go aggressive, you want to trade big, you want to use 20 standard lot size at a go, 50 standard lot size at a go, always have a backup. That's always my advice for everybody. Always have a backup. In case if this trade goes wrong, you hit your stop loss, what will be your backup? Do you have another account? Will that account be blown? Do you have another account to quickly continue trading? I've seen people use 200 lot size, open 5-10 positions. But guess what? These are people that are having $50 million accounts. So if you are having a $50 million account using a $200 lot size, 200 standard lot size, you are within proper risk management, guys. But if you are having $100,000 account and you want to risk 200 standard lot size, have an alternative. Have another, because that account can be blown, and if it's blown, you should continue being in business by using it. And if you are profitable, congratulations to you. You're going to be withdrawing. Hopefully, you are going to double that account, triple that account, and many more like that. So that's that about that, guys. That's that about prop trading, the psychology of trading a prop firm account. And with all this, I believe you have gotten enough value, and you now understand the prop trading. And if there's anything you still don't understand, or you want to know about prop trading and about prop firm accounts, how to be a funded trader, or you want me to put you through, click and join the Telegram channel. And inside the Telegram channel, you will get my DM there. On my Telegram channel, if you click on the name, it's going to show you this description of the channel. Inside the description of the channel, you will see my username. My username is @DiamondArido. That's how you are going to get me on Telegram. slide into my DM, ask me any question. If it's a reasonable question, I'm going to answer. If it's not a reasonable question, I even trust you won't ask any question that is not reasonable. So because you see you are a reasonable person. So therefore guys, see you when I see you guys again coming up into my channel. Make sure you subscribe, and I love you guys, and keep winning in your forex market, in your forex trading, and always remember that Diamond Arido does love you guys. Bye for now guys. Love you.